All right, guys. So I'm going to be super honest with you. I find creating content on YouTube extremely rewarding. I also find it very taxing. Trying to get ideas from here onto a video format in like a fun and engaging way, it doesn't come naturally to me. And I've been doing this for about a year now, and I got to be honest with you, I've had to learn a lot of tips and tricks and use a lot of different tools to make this a little bit easier and more manageable for me. So today I'm going to share the top 5 tools that I've found that make content creation just a little bit easier. Wait, bro, guys, we just hit 1,000 followers on YouTube. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. That means the world to me. But keep in mind, I got a new goal now. That's to hit 10,000 followers, okay? So I know you're tired of people, YouTubers saying like, yo, click the subscribe and the bell. I'm not saying click it. I'm saying tap that bell. Tap it. Tap the subscribe, tap the bell. Just tap it all around, baby. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the fat man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? He knows what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Yeah! Talk to you later. Okay, so let me start off by saying that if you're like a professional YouTuber or a graphic designer, or maybe you just have a ton of experience in content creation, this may not be for you. But if you're like me and you're still relatively new at the game and you need that little extra edge to make your video look better and keep up with the big boys, then hang out, because these 5 things I use almost every YouTube video to help me out. Okay, so let's get started. So number 5 on my list is a graphic design website called Canva.com. I've used this website for almost every piece of content creation that I've done so far. I used it for my YouTube channel art, my Twitch banner. I've used it for all of my YouTube thumbnails. I've made sub badges with it. I've made my emotes with it. I mean, you name it, I've done it on here. And there's a reason. Like, it's simple, it's powerful, it's easy to use, and it's super easy to learn. I mean, you can go in here and click create a design. It gives you the categories, or you can just do a custom one if you want to. But like if I click on thumbnail, it provides me with backgrounds that I can use. They just added all these really cool fonts in here too, which I think are really cool. You just click on it, puts it in there. It has like different shades and different colors, and you can adjust all of it, by the way. But if you want to add different elements, you can just search them out. Like if I wanted to put some type of football thing in here, I just search football and all these graphics start to pull up, right? The positioning is super easy. You just, with a couple of clicks, you can put it behind stuff. And I know, like, listen, I know that there's programs like Adobe and stuff that you can use to do this really, really simple, but this is the one that I found works best for me. So try it out. There is a free version that you can use, but there's also a paid version for $12.95 a month. I did the paid because it opened up all of the elements that you can use. I search it, it's all available to me. Give it a whirl. Tell me what you think. Okay, the next tool that I've used a lot that I want to show you is also a website called ClippingMagic.com. So a lot of times when you're working with graphics or pictures and you want it to pop up on the screen, you want that picture to be transparent, or you just want to remove the background, right? So it looks nicer, okay? I do this in a ton of my videos, but let's just say, for instance, I wanted to make a YouTube thumbnail, right? And I wanted this picture right here. I want to remove the background right here. Just capture the image and then load it into the ClippingMagic.com tool. It'll auto format it for you, so instantly just remove the background, but you can get a little bit more specific if you want to like make it so it doesn't clip an area, or you can actually zoom in, fine tune it, and get it exactly clipped what you want. It'll basically look perfect most of the time. Then once it's complete, you can just download that image, and we can go back and use the tool that we were just talking about. We can take this and put it on the Canva.com. We can make a quick YouTube thumbnail just by dragging it up into the image, applying a background, adjust a little bit of the size, and there you have it. Instant YouTube thumbnail. Looks great. Okay, so number 3 is pretty straightforward, kind of. Okay, you need to have a video editor of some kind, okay? I'm not sure if this is the best one to get. I heard nothing but great things about DaVinci Resolve, and a lot of people use iMovie, right? For me, the one that I went with is Movavi. Some people say Movavi. I don't know. I say Movavi. That's what I'm calling it, okay? But the reason I went with this is it's super simple to use. It is designed for amateur editors, right? I have no desire to be a pro editor. I just can't afford to have one, right? So I do it on my own. And this is the simplest one that I've used. It's straightforward. There's tons of YouTube videos on it. Keep in mind, some of those YouTube videos are bad reviews of Movavi, but I haven't had that experience. It seems to work really well for me. One thing in particular that I really like is the fact that they have this effects store, okay? So again, this is not free, okay? You have to buy the effects store. But once you have it, you just click the effect that you want and it pops right up. Like, so if I want like moving text, or if I want some graphics down here, or even like a real basic intro or music, it comes with that stuff in these packs, okay? I'll tell you what, you can download it for free and try it before you purchase anything. But I really enjoyed my experience with it, and I hope you do too. Okay, number 2 on my list is probably one of my favorites. And if you notice, I got my headphones on for this one. It's epidemicsound.com, okay? Epidemicsound.com is your one-stop shop for all copyright-free music and sounds, okay? And I say shop because, again, this is not free, okay? But there's tons of content on here for music. There's tons of content for sound effects, and all of it's free to use on YouTube. All of it's free to use on Twitch. You link your accounts, you're good to go. In fact, this is so popular that you may have actually heard some of this stuff on YouTube before. You guys ever heard of this guy named Tim the Tap Man? Okay, cool. Well, if you go on this site, if you subscribe here, at the end of his videos, you hear this one song that's always on there. Yeah, that's this. Huh? Come on, right? Not to mention the fact that when you're creating your content and you want to have some extra little bells and whistles in there, literally bells and whistles, you can add stuff by using their sound effects. Kind of cool, right? So epidemicsound.com, it's a great website. Check it out. And just a side note on this, if you don't want to spend the money for this, I totally get it. Harris Heller has a great alternative called Streambeats. I'm sure you've heard him talk about it. It's amazing. All of this stuff is really well produced. It sounds incredible. This is just the one that I started off with, so I really like this one. Try it out. Maybe it'll work out for you. And the number 1 tool, the thing that I think you can absolutely use all the time in several different ways, okay? Something that I've actually made numerous videos about and something I use every stream, okay? It's green screens. Okay, look at this. Green screens are super powerful and effective. And the reason these don't look green to you right now is because I'm actually using a green screen filter right now to do this video, okay? So let me switch views real quick for you, okay? This behind me is actually where I'm sitting, okay? I have all of my walls green screen because I like to be able to move around. I don't like to get cut off of the shot very easily, right? So this behind me is the best option for a green screen, in my opinion, if you got the room for it, okay? But that being said, you don't need to do an entire room like this. You have several different options. So right above me, right here, that's the Elgato green screen. It's large, it's collapsible, it works really, really well. It's also $195 right now on Amazon, but I have a link down below. If you want one, click it. I recommend it. I have a couple of friends that have actually used this before and it works well. But if you don't have the money and you still want to get green screens, just get these. Get these poster boards. They were 94 cents at Walmart. You can just pin these up behind you and have a makeshift green screen, super cheap on the fly. Now, why do you want to have a green screen? Well, let me tell you why. You want to have a green screen because you can make effects for alerts. You can actually change your background to whatever it is. You can get really creative, and I'll put a video up here for you to get more details on, but you can layer different video sources and do what I'm doing right now, which is what I call a magic green screen. So if I want this view, it looks just like that, but I can also adjust it to go to a webcam. This is the #1 tool that I've used to be super creative on my stream. Try it out. If you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. I think you'll love it. All right, guys, there you have it. That's my top 5 tools that I use right now almost every time I do content creation. And by the way, those are the top 5 for right now. This is going to evolve over time. And hey, listen, if you saw the video and you like it, do me a favor. Engagement's really important for me. Give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down so I know that these either helped or they sucked, right? Leave a comment below. It really, really helps out my channel. Like that guy said earlier, we just got 1,000 subscribers and our next goal is to hit 10,000. Guys, I really appreciate it. Okay. Listen, my name's Josh from FATguyFUNtime. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 p.m. and Saturdays at 10 p.m. I usually play Call of Duty. And if I'm being straight with you, that's my schedule, but I pretty much stream every day. Okay. Here's the channel. It should have popped up. Okay. Go over, hang out if you want to talk one-on-one, and join the Discord server, guys. I love to talk with you guys. We have a meme channel. We have a setup channel. We do a lot of stuff, okay? My community is amazing. And by the way, shout out to my community. Thank you so much for the support. It means the world to me. I love your faces. And now I need you to click one of these videos because one of these videos is going to show you how to do more awesome stuff, okay? So I'm just going to sit here. Well, I'll wait. You click one of these right here. Go ahead. Click the video. Click it!